Students, previous video you are learned exercise 3.12, sixth problem and seventh problem. Now, eighth problem. There is a square field whose side is 10 meter. A square flower bed is prepared in its center, leaving a gravel path all around the flower bed. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meter respectively is rupees 364. Find the width of the gravel path. Okay, the square field is there, their side 10 meter. Then inside the square field you have to prepare one flower bed. Okay, we want to find in its center leaving a gravel path all around its flower bed. Total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3 and rupees 4 per square meters respectively is rupees 364. We want to find the width of the gravel path. Listen student, first you have to draw one small diagram. There is a square field. First you have to draw one square field. Their side 10 meter. In square all the sides are equal, so this is 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter, 10 meter. Yes. Then inside this square field you have to prepare one square flower bed. So that is the square flower bed. So their side length not given. Yes, sides not given, so you have to consider this is x. So in square, this also square shape. Square all the sides are equal, so this is x, 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 x. Okay, then for a area, the sides of the square field is given. Using this measurement you have to find area of the field. Take and write what is given in the question. Length of the square field is equal to 10 meter. Okay, length of the square field is equal to 10 meter. For area is equal to 10 square. What is the formula for area of a square? Area of a square, what is the formula? Area of the square is equal to a square units. Okay, so that is area is equal to 10 square. So that is equal to 100 square meter or meter square. This is unit. Area of flower bed, how you have to calculate? Their side we have to consider as x. So x into x. So that is x square meter square. So that is, this is a unit. Okay, meter square or square meter. Okay, we have to find area of the gravel path. Yes, area of the gravel path you have to subtract these two. These two areas you have to subtract. So that is 100 minus x square meter square or square meter. From the given data, 3x square plus 4 into 100 minus x square is equal to 364. What is the given data? Listen students. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3. Cost of laying the flower bed is rupees 3. Then the graveling path, their related amount is rupees 4. Yes. So respectively in rupees 364. Their total amount is 364. Using this statement. Here to here. The total cost of laying the flower bed and graveling the path at rupees 3. For this is for total cost of laying flower bed. It is for rupees 4. The graveling the path. Okay. Their amount is 364. So now that is 3 into x square their area, flower bed area. Okay. So that is 3 into x square plus 4 into the graveling path, what we found, 100 minus x square. 4 into 100 minus x square is equal to 364. That is 3x square. This 4 take inside, that is 400 minus 4x square. You have to transpose this side. This 364 transpose to left hand side. That is minus 364 is equal to 0. So now you have to simplify these two. Minus 4 plus 3, that is minus 1, that is minus x square. You have to subtract these two, that is 36 is equal to 0. So you have to transpose this plus 36 to this side. So that is minus x square is equal to minus 36. So x is equal to root 36. Root 36 value you know, that is x. Okay. So width of the path is equal to, width of the path is equal to 10 minus 6. So width of the path how you have to calculate? It is 10 minus x. Width of the path is 10 minus x. So x we found as 6. So 10 minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 4 by 2. 1 2 is 2, 2 2 are 4, 2 meter. Okay. For this statement you have to write at side. Cost of flower bed is rupees 3. Cost of the graveling path is rupees 4. Total amount is given as 364. Using this statement we frame this equation. Okay students. Ninth question. The hypotenuse of a right angled triangle is 25 cm and its perimeter 56 cm. Find the length of the smallest side. Okay. Hypotenuse is given and also given perimeter of the triangle. Using these two measurements, we have to find length of the smallest side. Listen student, first you have to draw one right angled triangle. For right angle triangle means you know, that is any one of the angle is 90 degree. Yes, you have to consider their sides A, B, C. That you have to consider A, B, C. For a hypotenuse, what is given in the question? 25 centimeter. Yes, we have to first you have to find these two sides A and C. You have to find. What is given in the question? Hypotenuse is equal to 25 centimeter. Hypotenuse we consider as B. Yes. So hypotenuse B is equal to 25 centimeter. Also what is given? Perimeter is equal to 56 centimeter. Perimeter, what is the meaning of perimeter? Sum of the measures of all these sides. That is A plus B plus C is equal to 56. Yes. A plus this B value already given in the question itself. So that is 25 plus C is equal to 56. That is A plus C is equal to 56 minus 25. This 25 transfers to right hand side. Now A plus C is equal to, you have to subtract these two values, that is 31. Okay. Now we have to find the smaller length of the smallest side. Smallest side we have to consider as x. For you have to consider this as a smallest side. Okay. So let the smallest side A is equal to x. So suppose you have to consider this as x. How you have to find the C value? C is equal to, so A plus C is equal to 31, you know, at right hand side. A plus C is equal to 31. So C is equal to 31 minus A, you know. Yes. Using this, A plus C is equal to 31. So using this, C is equal to A transpose this side. Okay. So that is C is equal to 31 minus X. We consider this A as X. Okay. Yes. Now we have three values. Yes. A is X. B is 25. C 31 minus X. Now you have to apply the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem, you know, hypotenuse square is equal to sum of other two side square. Hypotenuse is 25 square. So that is A square plus C square is equal to 25 square. So A we consider as x. So x square plus C value what we found? 31 minus x whole square. 25 square value 625. Now x square. For this value you have to find A minus B whole square. What is the formula for A minus B whole square? A minus B whole square is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. Okay students. So it is A, it is B. A square minus 2AB. So that is 2 into 31 into x. That is 62x plus B square, that is x square. This 625 transposed to left hand side, that is minus 625 is equal to 0. Now you have to simplify this equation. That is x square 2 times it is there, that is 2x square. Then you have to you have only one x term just taken, right? Minus 62x. Then this is 31 square 625. 31 square, what is the value? 31 into 31. So that is 961. Yes. For 961 minus 625. Listen students, 961 minus 625, that is 336, is equal to 0. For 2 is common for this equation, so you have to divide by 2. So that is x square, 62 by 2, 31. 336 by 2 is 168, is equal to 0. Now you have to find the factors for this. Yes, that is the product value is so 168. Their adding value we have to get, we are going to get minus 31. So what are the factors? 24 and 7. 24 and 7 you have to make multiple, you get 168. We need here minus 31. So you have to use minus for both the factors. Yes, that is x minus 24 into x minus 7 is equal to 0. So that is x minus 24 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to 0. So that is x is equal to 24 and x is equal to 7. So therefore side of triangle are 7 centimeter, 24 centimeter and 25 centimeter. Yes, length of the smallest side is equal to 7 centimeter. Yes, for a 25 centimeter already given in the question. Now we found two values, 7 and 24. Yes, so you have to consider 7, 24 and 25. Among these three, which is the smallest value? 7. So length of the smallest side is equal to 7 centimeter.